Hey, this is Adam Nackers of TechieNetworker.com, and at this point you have installed WordPress on your site. Okay, and what we're going to do now is we're going to go through the basic WordPress setup, just some settings that you want to change right away to get your site on the right track. So let's dive right in. What you want to do, if you haven't yet accessed your WordPress site to make any changes, if you go back to your email inbox, you should have gotten, after you've completed your install, an email should have automatically been sent to your inbox from WordPress that says new WordPress site. And when you click on it, inside, you're going to see your username. So your new site has been successfully set up at travelinghappiness.com, right? And then your login information is down here. Your username, your password is obviously not shown. And then log in here. This link right here is the link you want to click to log into your site to make changes. So I would save this email one way or another, okay? So when you click on this, it's going to take you to the login page for your site. Another thing I would do is bookmark this page. Okay, bookmark this page so you can easily come back to it, and then just click on, enter your username and password and click on login. So once you're logged in, what we're going to do first is we're going to cover some general settings. So if you go down here to settings, and it'll open these options up, click on general. First thing you want to do is just give your site a title and tagline. So let's see. I'll just do because happiness is a journey, not a destination. Oops. Didn't it select it? There we go. So you want to enter a tagline. And then the other thing I would suggest you do is change your time zone. So if you just mouse over it, it's going to have some like UTC in there. If you go down to Americas, or America, and then you just look for a city, like a big city that's in your region. All right, so I'm going to choose Chicago. And then that's all you need to do. Make sure you click on Save Changes. These settings really aren't that important, but I usually just set them. I set my title, tagline, and I choose my time zone. Okay. Next thing we want to do is user settings. So if you look on the left here where it says users, okay, if you mouse over users and go to all users, your user was automatically created when you installed WordPress, but one thing you want to do is change a couple of things so that your name publicly displays the right way on posts and stuff like that. So if you scroll down, I don't change any of this stuff, but right here under username, you can't change the username, but under it, you can put your real name. Okay, so come on. There we go. Sometimes can't type. Okay, nickname, I would put whatever you want to display is what I'd usually put here. So let's put Traveling Kristen. She might want to change that, but for now, what's cool is once you enter this stuff, now you can choose what's going to publicly display. So I'm just going to choose Traveling Kristen. So now when she posts, that's what's going to show up as opposed to her username, which isn't really all that appealing. Okay, so then again, down here you can enter your website, and you can also enter some bio info. This info can actually be displayed in like an author box. I'm not going to show you how to do that right now. It's not that important, but if you want to add a bio right now, you can go ahead and do that. Okay, and if you want to change your password, this is also where you do that. And then you can scroll down and click on Update Profile. So now you'll see that it also updated up here. It's no longer just displaying your username. And if you want to go back there in a faster way, you can actually mouse over this and go to Edit My Profile, and that'll take you to the same page. Okay, now let's do permalinks. So under Settings again, on the left, okay, Settings, you want to click on Permalinks. Now, your permalink is basically the URL that's going to be created every time you create a post that you're going to be able to share. By default, it usually uses this top one, which just attaches a little ID, like a numeric ID, which does not look very good. It doesn't look clean. The one I recommend you use is post name. So just click on post name, and then when you publish your blog post, it's going to automatically create your permalink with your post name, which looks a lot cleaner, a lot better, right? So you're going to scroll down again and click on Save Changes. And that is it. These are all the basic settings. It's really all you need to worry about out of the gate to get set up. And one thing I wanted to show you is after you complete, whenever you're inside the dashboard like this, the way you toggle to your site is you just mouse over your site name up in the upper left here, and you click on Visit Site. And that'll take you to your site. So right now what you're going to see is our site is running a default theme called 2015. In the next module, in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can change the design by changing themes. So how you can go about finding a theme you like, installing that and activating that theme, and then how easy it is to just toggle between themes. That's one of the beautiful things about WordPress. So I will see you in that video.